In this video, we're going to look at how to access and then post quizzes from Microsoft Forms into Microsoft Teams. Firstly, you need to click on the link that has been shared with you as a collaborator, and this will open the quiz. This may have been in an email, or it could be on a planning document, as is the example below here. Anyone that clicks on the link, because it's a link for a collaborator, would then have access to the quiz, which they could then edit. When you click on the quiz, it automatically appears in the Shared with Me section. You then need to click on the ellipsis, which is the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, to then access the quiz. When you do this, it will turn black and you press copy. When you press copy, it moves from Shared with Me into My Forms. And that's the point at which the quiz can then be allocated to classes on Microsoft Teams. In the assignment section in Teams, it's really important when you click on Create that you choose Quiz and not Assignment. The reason for this is that choosing Quiz allows you specifically to assign a quiz to it with points, whereas Assignment wouldn't. So you press Quiz, and then a list of quizzes appears, and you can click on the one for that lesson, for example, the French Verbs 5 Tense Challenge, and then press Next. You can then set up the rest of the work as you would normally with when you create an assignment. For example, you can schedule it to appear in the future. You can allow late turn-ins. You can assign it to multiple classes as well. But this is the key feature with these quizzes, is that the quizzes will allow you to see the points that students get when they complete the quizzes. And in terms of that monitoring, firstly, as you see from point 1 there, so the scores from the quizzes load directly into the markbook in Teams. Also, you can refer to the max points to see if students have achieved the required standard. And finally, there's no need for students to turn the work in because the blanks will stand out in the markbook. Whereas if they've looked at the assignment, which may include links to YouTube videos or tasks for them to do before they do the quiz, you can see that they've viewed it, but they haven't necessarily actually completed the quiz at the end.